Walk into a dealership. They offer you two options. Lease this car for just £399 per month, or buy it for £650 per month. Sounds simple, right? But here's the truth. One of these options could quietly cost you thousands more over time, and almost nobody breaks down the real maths behind it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly when leasing wins, when buying wins, and the hidden costs dealers don't want you to see. Let's simplify this. Leasing a car is like renting. Buying a car is like owning an asset. When you lease, you're paying for depreciation, which is how much value the car loses. You're also paying interest, called money factor, plus fees and taxes. When you buy, you're paying for the full value of the car. You're also paying interest on the loan, but eventually, you own it. Key difference: leasing equals lower monthly payments. Buying equals long-term ownership. Let's break down a real-world example. Example car. Price £40,000. Lease £400 per month for 36 months. Buy £650 per month for 60 months. Leasing cost £400 times 36 equals £14,400. Total paid in 3 years equals £14,400. At the end, you own nothing. Buying cost £650 times 60 equals £39,000. Total paid equals £39,000. But now, you own the car. And after 5 years, that car might still be worth around £18,000 to £22,000 in resale value. Leasing feels cheaper, but buying builds equity. This is where most people get trapped. Mileage limits: 10,000 to 15,000 miles per year. Extra mileage equals 15 to 30 pence per mile. There are also wear and tear fees, plus early termination penalties. And here's the biggest one. You're stuck in a payment cycle forever. Lease, return, lease again, repeat. You never escape payments. Leasing isn't always bad. It works if you want a new car every 2 to 3 years. It works if you drive less than average. It works if you care about warranty coverage. It works if you want lower monthly payments. Leasing is about lifestyle convenience. Buying wins when you plan to keep the car 5 to 10 years. Buying wins when you want to avoid long-term payments. Buying wins when you want resale value. Buying wins when you drive a lot. Buying is about building financial value. Here's what most people don't realize. After about 4 to 5 years, buying becomes cheaper than leasing. Why? Because the loan ends, payments stop, but the car still works. Meanwhile, lease payments never stop. Dealerships love leasing. Why? It's easier to sell lower monthly payments. Customers keep coming back. More profit over time. Watch out for only £399 per month, which ignores total cost. Watch out for hidden fees in fine print. Watch out for inflated residual values. So here's the truth. If you want freedom and long-term savings, buy. If you want flexibility and lower payments, lease. But now, you actually understand the maths, and that puts you ahead of 90% of car buyers. If this video helped you, like this video. Subscribe for smarter money decisions. And comment, lease or buy. What are you choosing?